It will debut at the 2019 New York Motor Show. Hyundai Venue will be unveiled in India on the 17th of April. It will come with 33 connectivity features with 10 India-specific features. We already know that Hyundai Venue will make its global debut at the 2019 New York Motor Show this week and will be simultaneously unveiled in India on the 17th of April. While we have seen the car in various spy shots and teasers, here are the official images of the Venue from an advertisement, displayed at the Times Square, New York, USA. The design of the Hyundai Venue was recently detailed through official sketches, but here, we have the car in all its glory. The image offers a clear view of the front quarter and the side profile of the upcoming compact SUV. The Venue has a squat stance, and it gets a proportionate two-box design despite being a sub-4 meters vehicle. It gets the large cascading grille with a lot of chrome overlap and a dual headlamp setup with sleek lights up top and projector headlights lower below. Oval-shaped LED DRLs surround the main headlamps. What we can also see is that the Venue gets body cladding all around with the fog lamps and reflectors integrated into it. The global spec Venue will also get a dual-tone paint scheme, and we expect the Indian model to get it as well. The leaked images show that the SUV features a white roof, and with the A and C pillars blacked out, it offers a floating effect to the roof. The car will also get roof rails and machined alloys. While the rear profile isn't seen here, design sketches and spy shots have revealed that Hyundai Venue will come with LED tail lights and an understated styling to the rear. Interior sketches have confirmed that the SUV will feature a dual-tone dashboard and a floating 8-inch touchscreen infotainment system. The car will also get color-coded interior trim and contrast stitching on the seats. While Hyundai is yet to reveal the details pertaining to the powertrains, reports suggest that the Venue will be offered with a 1.0-liter TGDI 3-cylinder turbocharged petrol motor that will be mated to a 7-speed dual-clutch automatic transmission (DCT). The car will also get a 1.4-liter Trestle motor that will be mated to a 6-speed manual and automatic torque converter gearboxes. The Venue is likely to be priced in the bracket of 7.5 lakh rupees to 11 lakh rupees, ex-showroom. Right from the outset, the SUV will face stiff competition from the likes of Ford EcoSport, Maruti Suzuki Vitara Brezza, Mahindra XUV 300 and the Tata Nexon. Image source.